It looks
Ano
like
ba?
we're in the school sewer.
Ew, it stinks here so much.
Yeah, that green water
Yeah, I'm not
doesn't look
losing
very
that.
safe.
I really don't want to fall into that.
And it gets worse. We need to go across these narrow
Is this
pipes.
99 Nights in the
Whoa,
Forest?
almost pushed me.
Huh? 99 Nights in the Forest, oh?
Trapped us in this
Hagrawa
prison.
Garden.
I am so scared. What are we
Hoy,
going
ba't
to do?
na ano?
I don't know.
Kaya pala, Hagrawa
So
Garden.
scary.
Maybe we can ask the viewers for help. Like the video and subscribe so we can escape this scary prison.
Di naman Toto JJ yan eh.
The lights coming in.
Di yung Totong JJ Mikey. Yung Toto Mikey, ano eh, may ano. Yung may mukha. Yung mga nakita kakainas ka. Iba yung ano, boses niya.
I hope the vent isn't locked, JJ.
Not. Look, the vent opened.
Yay! Where does it lead?
Well, it looks like we're still in this prison.
Oh no, but at least we are not in a scary cell anymore.
Mikey, look at those scary spikes.
I hope we won't fall in them.
Don't worry, Mikey. It's not even that scary.
But we still need to be really careful, JJ.
Yeah, there might be hidden traps in here. Wait, Mikey, I think we need to press this button.
Look, some platforms appeared.
Whoa, let's go across these platforms, Mikey.
Wait for me, JJ.
All right, I think we need to break into that vent with this wrench.
I love breaking stuff.
Of course you do, Mikey. All right, I think we need to go down.
Go, JJ.
Wait, where are we, Mikey?
There's Lily Lovegrave.
Oh no, maybe if we were really quiet, she won't notice us.
Okay, JJ, be quiet.
All right, let's try to sneak past her.
She saw us, JJ. Run!
Press this button, Mikey.
Watch out, JJ. She's coming for you.
Please leave us alone, Lily.
We don't want to go back into that scary cell. Please.
Wait, she fell down. Quickly, Mikey, run from her before it's too late.
I am running as fast as I can, JJ.
Look, I think that button is in this vent.
Go, JJ, go.
I hope there are no traps in here, though.
Yeah, Lily Lovegrave might have put some traps in here.
All right, I'm going down, Mikey.
I'm already here, JJ.
Did you take a look what's in here?
I don't know, but it looks like a bathroom.
Of course it's a bathroom, but how are we going to get out?
Maybe let's check the stalls.
Let's go. There's a shovel right here, Mikey.
Do you think we can dig out of here?
I sure hope so.
Wait, JJ.
Oh, where did we end up?
I know exactly.
He just told me about there. There are no sharks in that pool. I promise you guys, there is a shark in our pool. And it's not messing around. We need to fill the pool with bubblegums. Like, you guys are gonna figure out the hard way. Be the first to jump in.
This is not a good idea. I told you guys.
fish. There's a shark. Boy, did it work? They don't close our fishing pole. And Jackie got pulled in. Yep. Fishing pole don't work. Not good. A net. I got the perfect one. Wait.
Oh my god. What? Fuel? I didn't even have this time. Like it soon. Oops.
Are you guys okay? Okay, then.
Like and subscribe.